Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today we're taking care of a Nintendo Switch microSD connector replacement. So I did get it obviously opened, and then right away just something didn't look right, and I pulled all these freaking chunkies out of the fan, so we're gonna off camera make some extra detail on that. We're also going to replace the thermal compound as well. We always do whenever we work on the board or break that bond, essentially. But yeah, we're replacing that bad boy right in. Yeah. Alright. I need some tweezers. Tweezers, blue. Alright, I'm hoping for some surface tension. It's always cool to see. That is the final outcome on that. We are back in action. Yeah, it's just, I use this SD card on another Switch, so it wants to delete the data, but obviously it's reading, it works. So thanks for viewing. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe, as well as smash that bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.